Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. This is my box challenge night and I'm going to work through a little bit in my Magic School Would You Rather savings book. So I did not do this video last week and I was going to double up the money, but I decided against that. So I have $80 here and 20 of that will kind of go into our Magic School Would You Rather. 20-ish, and then the rest will go into my box challenge from Christine over at Financial Dreams with Christine. So let's see where we are. This adorable book came from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Here's my clip. So we will do like 20-ish dollars. Okay, would you rather drink butterbeer at the Three Broomsticks or eat a feast in the Great Hall? Oh, I'm going to go feast in the Great Hall. I really wanted butterbeer though. But then, I mean, who doesn't want to go into the Great Hall? That's a spicy one, so that's $9. Okay. Would you rather duel Draco Malfoy or duel Voldemort? Really want to battle anyone or duel, I guess. I guess Draco, because he's kind of a bully. I mean, he's a giant bully, but like, oof, Lindsay, another spicy one. That's $9. Basically took all of my ones. And we got 2 scratchers today, so that's $9. I was going to do a third one, but I don't know. That's going to take us over quite a bit. Okay, so that's those 2. And then I will clip here, and we try not to read it. No peeking. So we will do a little bit more in this next Wednesday. I was going to do a little bit in my live, so you might see it there Thursday night for 1 or 2, but it will come back to this night for sure. Okay, so that means we have $62 to put into my Mythic savings binder from Christine over at Financial Dreams with Christine. You know, here's me with my hair and makeup done. That's hilarious. Okay, so we need cards. We don't need my scratcher tool. I think my cards are here. Yes. All right, let's mix these up a little bit. All right. Let's get our first card. All right. I don't know my mythical. I'm not good at it. So there we go. Winged helmet, $10. This is just bound and determined to be a spicy night for me. All right, so we will put $10 in here. Let's get okay, I'll put the money in front of it for now. Let's see our next one. We got a little fig leaf or olive leaf. Athena, of course. Oh my gosh, that's $13. Aegis. That's a lot of money. Okay, we are saving money tonight, everybody. Let's color this first so we can have that dry. So it's 13, so let's put 2 back and grab a 10 and a 5. Oh, don't you hate that? All right, next card. Apple. Aphrodite. $3. All right, that's my speed. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if we have anything. We don't have anything in here. All right, so that'll be our first one. So let me color it and then I'll grab the $3. 1, 2, 3. All right, where was I? I'm going to go back here and get some ones, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2 5s for a 10. Okay. Ooh, grapes. You okay, buddy? You're okay, Coco. Ooh, Dionysus. Okay. Oh my goodness, $15. We are saving so good tonight. Maybe I should have doubled up. Grapevines, $15. So we have a 10 and a 5. This is going to be such a good saver. Ooh, the sun. Apollo, so that's $4. I can put one back and grab a 5. So poor Coco today, I'm filming this Monday night. So poor Coco today, looks like she tore something in her knee leg area on her back rear leg. So Babe took her to the vet and they're unsure if she tore or her ACL partial tear or full tear. So please pray for little Coco. And sometimes I call her my little coconut because poor thing. Okay, so this might be our last card. So no quests tonight. All right, so we have the pig. I feel like that's going to be pricey. $7. All right, that's not too bad. But I don't have any 5s. Let's... So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. There it is. Okay, so Demeter, $7 for the pig. So we have to try to make sure that she doesn't move around a lot, which is very difficult because she's a very independent woman. She is a teenage girl and she wants to do her own thing when she wants to do it. So, all right. Should I do a card? I might have an IOU. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $10. Maybe I'll do some of the minis, the Mythic minis. 6. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Pandora's box. We have each of these as $1, so I'll do 2 of them. And all this money will go back into the one main envelope. So let's do Death and Pandora. All right, let's roll again. 4. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have Theseus and Minotaur. These are $2 each. I will do one of them, so 1 and 2. I'll do thread up at the top. Made each of these $2. So let's roll an Iron Man, 2. So 1 and 2. Daedalus and Icarus. We will do one of these for $1. Let's do the wings. So that was $1. And I'm going to do, let's finish off King Midas for $2. My phone's telling me I have low battery, so this is going to cut off. So, and then one of these, we'll do Fall and Winter. And then we need another $1 one. Here we go. We'll do Love. We'll end on Love. All right. So we put our last $10 into our minis, Mythic minis. That way we didn't have an IOU. So we can wrap this up so my video doesn't cut off on me. Thank you guys for popping in to hopefully my very short box challenge night from Financial Dreams with Christine. We worked on Mythic savings, and then we did a little bit in my Magic School Would You Rather from Bookish Mama Budgets. So thank you so much for being here. Tomorrow night on Thursday, I will have my live 5:15 Pacific and 8:15 Eastern PM, and I hope to see you there. And until next time, take care. Bye.